Lesson 2.5 is on pages 57 through 62. The skills we're working on today are applying cell formats, modifying cell alignment, and searching for data in your workbook. So you will go to Schoology and download source 2.5. Then you will open it and do a save as 2.5 Broadway shows. So step 5, click in cell A1. Then go to the Format Cells dialog box. Go to Font and change it to Arial, the style to bold, and the font size to 16. Then click OK. Step 6, select A2 through D2. Go to our Format Cells dialog box, choose the Alignment tab, change the horizontal alignment to center, the orientation to 45 degrees, and click OK. Step 7, select A3 through D17, Format Cells dialog box, go to the Border tab, apply both an outline and inside border, and click OK. Step 8, we are going to choose a variety of cells to apply a light gray fill color. So if you look on step 8, you will see all of those different cells because it's different chunks of cells. So step 8, go through and see those 8 different sets to highlight in gray. Step 9, from the Home tab and the Editing group, select any of the cells that we just changed to gray. Go to the Find and Select drop-down menu and choose Replace. In the Find and Replace dialog box, type Now in the Find What field and type Present in the Replace With field. Then click Replace All and click OK. And then you can close that. Step 10A, you're going to merge and center cell A1 across all of the columns, or across columns A through D. Step 10B, center the cells C3 through C17. And step 10C, bold row 2. Then go ahead and save your document and submit on Schoology.